question given here is, as we have learned in the text, a geostationary satellite orbits the Earth at a height of nearly 36,000 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. And what is the potential due to the Earth's gravity at the site of the satellite? You can consider the potential energy at infinity to be 0 and mass of Earth as 6.0 into 10 power 24 kg and radius as 6,400 kilometers. So the height of the satellite from the Earth's surface is given as 3.6 into 10 power 7 meters. Okay, I'm converting this 36,000 kilometers into meters. And the gravitational potential energy is given by the formula minus Vm by r plus h. You can substitute the values, that is minus 6.67 into 10 power 11 into 6.6 into 10 power 24, that is mass of the Earth. And the radius is 3.6 into 10 power 7 and height is 0.64 because it is 6,400 kilometers. You are considering this into 10 power 7. So while calculating, you'll get minus 9.4 into 10 power 6 joules per kilograms. Thus, the potential due to the Earth gravity is 9.4 into 10 power 6 joules per kilograms.